Hi everyone, welcome to Chat Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a loop in Capcut. This is a really good way to make your videos more dynamic and attractive, especially if they are for social media, presentations, or creative projects. So let's do it. First, we're going to open Capcut. It is really easy to download in your computer. And here we're going to click on Create Project. Remember that in Capcut you have many options to edit your videos. You can add filters, you can add text, you can add music, you can change the speed of them. It is a really good app to be used. So here I already have my video, the one that I'm going to use to create the loop. It is a table with different things on it. And now we're going to select the intro of our video and we're going to cut it. When you have it, you're going to put this at the end of your video. And now we're just going to click on play and the loop will be created. So now you just have to use your imagination. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!